Sharkey Transportation App. The pros, the cons. If you're looking for a reliable app to manage transportation and logistics, Sharkey Transportation promises efficiency, tracking, and streamlined operations, but is it really worth using? One of the biggest pros is real-time tracking. Most people get this wrong by assuming transportation apps only schedule pickups or deliveries. Sharkey provides live updates on shipments, letting both drivers and customers see exact locations, estimated arrival times, and any delays. This transparency reduces missed deliveries and improves accountability. Another advantage is route optimization. The app calculates the fastest, most fuel-efficient route, saving both time and costs. For fleet managers, it provides analytics on driver performance, fuel consumption, and delivery efficiency, helping to make data-driven decisions. Sharkey also supports digital documentation. Invoices, proof of delivery, and other paperwork can be handled within the app, reducing reliance on physical forms. This is particularly useful for businesses that deal with high volumes of shipments, improving organization and reducing errors. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can feel cluttered, especially for first-time users. Additionally, the app requires consistent internet connectivity for real-time features, which can be limiting in areas with poor coverage. Finally, advanced analytics features may require a premium subscription. In conclusion, Sharkey Transportation is a powerful tool for both drivers and fleet managers seeking efficiency, real-time tracking, and operational insights. The surprising truth is that while it offers significant benefits, maximizing its potential requires some learning and possibly investing in premium features. For anyone managing deliveries or logistics, Sharkey Transportation streamlines operations, increases visibility, and saves time, and be prepared for a short learning curve to get the most out of it.